Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Mailchimp to Shopify. This easy method helps you seamlessly integrate your email marketing with your e-commerce platform. You'll learn to sync customer data, automate campaigns, and enhance your overall marketing strategy. Get ready to boost engagement and drive sales with a powerful, connected system, making your marketing efforts much more efficient. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, you'll want to navigate to the Shopify App Store. Use the search bar to find the official Mailchimp app. Once located, simply click to install it. This crucial first step sets the foundation for a smooth and effective connection between your platforms. After installing, open the Mailchimp app directly from your Shopify admin. You will be prompted to log in using your existing Mailchimp account credentials. Once logged in, you'll need to authorize the connection, granting permission for data exchange. Review and confirm your data synchronization settings to ensure everything aligns with your marketing goals. With your accounts linked, customer data and purchase history will begin to sync automatically. This rich data allows you to create highly targeted email segments within Mailchimp. You can then set up powerful automated marketing workflows like abandoned cart reminders or welcome series. Continuously monitor your campaign performance to optimize and refine your strategies for maximum impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.